Hi, my name's Ethan. I am the Director of Test Labs for DXP Pumpworks. Today, I'm at our Shreveport, Louisiana test facility. Today, we're working on a complete unit test for one of our largest customers. What a complete unit test means is a test including all of the customer job equipment, including faceplate, pump, motor, seal systems, anything auxiliary such as that. We want to make sure that this pump is going to operate within its parameters, that we will see that same performance out in the field. We want to put the pump through strenuous testing. We want to push it to its limits to make sure that there's no leaks, no breakage, no overheating, things such as that, so that the customer knows that they're getting a good product from us. Oftentimes with competitors, customers get put to the back of the line, but not with Pumpworks. We will do everything we can to make a point to get that customer's pump in the shop, tested, and help them out in any way that we can. We are the last line of quality assurance and quality control for the production of these pumps.